Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Toy Friendly Unbox where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. For this episode, Vibration Stars Rurouni Kenshin Himura figure. Ito nyo naman, bagong-bago to, new released by Banpresto and Bandai Namco na naman. And obviously, makaka-expect naman tayo na quality figure para dito sa product na yun. So, bago tayo magsimula mag-unbox, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, if you want to buy toys like these, please do visit our Facebook store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. Dadupayin natin. Here we go! Welcome back guys, and ito na nga, Vibration Stars Rurouni Kenshin figure, Kenshin Himura. And tignan nyo, dynamic pose. I think this is going to be the first time we're going to be unboxing Vibration Stars figure dito sa line na to. Usually mga basic Bandai Banpresto figures lang, and mostly Dragon Ball and One Piece. First time tayo mag-unbox ng Bandai Namco figure na Rurouni Kenshin, and I'm sure maraming fans yan dito sa dito sa mga subscribers natin. Maraming fans ng Samurai X or Rurouni Kenshin, lalo na dito kay Kenshin Himura. So ito yung niya, yung layout ng box, ang ganda, no? So may outline na black outline yung figure. I think this is the actual figure na. Ganda, no? Naka-dynamic pose siya. So yun yata yung signature line or yun yata yung trademark ng trademark pose ng Vibration Stars, yung parang mga dynamic poses, hindi the usual na nakatayo lang and naka-pose din pero nakatayo lang. So ito yung front ng box. Sa top is yung picture ng actual figure, medyo enlarged, and of course nakakalat dyan yung logo ng Rurouni Kenshin on the side. And yan, actual photo ulit ng figure. Other side, another view of the figure, yung actual figure. Yan, ito yung quality. Maganda yung layout yan, no? May mga accents ng Vibration Stars logo. And at the back, so yung wala na yung outline na black, may full figure with the Japanese characters. Hindi ko maintindihan. Yeah. So ito na, bubuksan natin to and let's see what's inside. So guys, upon opening the box, I think nakuha natin yung sealed plastic with the parts of the figure. And I think kapansin-pansin dito, meron siyang base na malaki. So usually mga foot support lang yung nakukuha natin, maliliit din para mag-balance yung figure. Pero this time, meron tayong parang doon sa mga old school na Dragon Ball and One Piece na binubuksan natin before, mga ibang episodes natin before, no? Kung naalala nyo, may mga base yan na malalaki sa tayo. So yan ang kaibahan niya sa ibang mga figures. And of course yan, ito natin si Kenshin. So ang gagawin natin, buksan natin to and we'll assemble it and let's see the final figure. Okay guys, so we took it out of the sealed plastic bag. So examinin natin muna piece by piece para mas maganda, kasi nakita ko very interesting yung parts eh. Tignan nyo itong lower torso. Wow! Look at the folds. Iba siya eh. Tignan yung quality ng folds. Ang ganda. Kakaiba siya. Hindi siya yung usual figure na may, of course, detailed siya. Pero yung mga ibang yung previous episodes natin, may mga figures, may mga folds, may detail na gano'n. Pero tingnan nyo ito, highly detailed pala pag ganitong line. Nagulat ako ha. Tingnan nyo yung sandals niya, Kenshin. Oh. Wow! Ang ganda ng quality. Ang galing guys. Tingnan nyo ito. Ito yung upper part. Tingnan nyo yung folds and yung paint job. And look at the expression of Kenshin here. So, di ba, kung fan kayo ng Rurouni Kenshin, especially kay Kenshin Himura, di ba, dalawa yung face niya, di ba? Yung comical face and of course yung serious violent face. O serious face, yung fighting mode na. Ito yun. Detail, fighting mode, tsaka yung hair. Details ng hair, ganda. Sa anime, sa OVA, version, parang gano'n. Ganda ng detail niya, yung paint job, tsaka tingnan nyo. Yung sa palm niya, may lahat, yung mga creases, andyan. Tsaka yung pagkakabend doon. Ang ganda. Ganda ng quality nito, guys. Ito yung yung ponytail niya. Ganda, oh. Tingnan naman. Hindi siya basta-basta figure. Hindi siya yung chipipay. Hindi siya yung low class figure. So, nasa upper level figure na to. Of course, ito yung niya. Hindi siya nabubuksan. Tinry ko na. Yun. Pero ito yung reverse edge shirt. Ang ganda nito, guys. Especially kung collector ka ng Rurouni Kenshin figures. So kung sana series to, no? May mga ibang characters pa para ma-feature din natin. So assemble natin to, guys. Ito yung base nga pala, laki, di ba? So i-assemble natin to para makita natin yung full form, full figure Kenshin Himura. So here it is, guys. Wow, astig. Lupit. Tignan nyo naman, nakapang Hiten Mitsurugi style na siya, o preparation for Hiten Mitsurugi style. Ang ganda. Oh, tignan nyo yung pose na yan. Palaban, di ba? Oh, windblown pa yung niya. Windblown yung ponytail, yung kaya ganyan. Ang ganda na effect. Wow, as you can see, highly detailed talaga yung figure and yung paint job, eksakto lang. May mga konting highlights, especially dito sa lower torso, yung dyan sa parang pajama niya. Ano tawag dyan? Yung pants niya, diba? Pero bilib ako dito sa detail ng folds, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng quality nito, guys. So, if you're huge fan of Rurouni Kenshin and if you're a collector of the figures, definitely kailangan nyo ito, guys, sa collection. Hindi maganda kung wala to sa collection yung kung fan kayo ng Rurouni Kenshin. Definitely kasi yung quality yung mukha, yung yung mark niya, yung cross mark X. Ganda. Here, lahat perfect. Ang ganda, guys. Solid to. Ito yung samurai. Ito yung detail yung handle, yung sheet. Ayun yung sheet. Pero yung handle, so pag vibration starts, yun ang parang, in my understanding, if you're going to buy with this line, vibration stars line, and yun nasa siya, higher detailed figures and on the dynamic side yung pose. Ganda. Sobrang sulit pagkakabili nyo. Pagka nag-collect kayo nito, sana mas marami pang dumating dito sa series na ito ng Rurouni Kenshin para i-present natin sa inyo kung ano yung tsura din. Makagulat yung quality niya. Ang ganda. So there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of Kenshin Himura figure, Rurouni Kenshin. Vibration Stars from Bandai Namco and Banpresto. And yun, must have for your glass cap collection. There you go, guys. Cue for montage. And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of the Vibration Stars Rurouni Kenshin Himura figure na newly released from Bandai Namco and Banpresto. And astig guys, definitely a must have for your Rurouni Kenshin collection. And look at the details on this one. Perfect for your display and your collection. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements of future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And again, if you like toys like these, please do visit our Facebook store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And marami pa tayong stock nito. So if you're bumili, give us a message and we'll hook you up. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.